Hey guys, I'm Vongviset. Welcome back to Umoro Kitchen. This week we're making gluten-free, high-protein crepes. Each recipe consists of 2 servings, and each serving consists of 500 calories. That's 61 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fat, and 47 grams of protein. Without further ado, let's get started, shall we? In this recipe, you're going to need half a cup of white rice flour, a pinch of salt, 1 egg, half a cup of almond milk, half a cup of strawberries, 2 scoops of vanilla protein, half a cup of blueberries, 1 cup of Greek yogurt. In a large mixing bowl, mix together half a cup of white rice flour, 1 egg, half a cup of almond milk, and a pinch of salt. Heat a large pan coated with cooking spray to medium-low heat. Pour the crepe mixture onto the pan and spread it evenly to create a thin layer. Once it starts to bubble, flip the crepe over. Mix together the protein powder and Greek yogurt. Plate the crepes along with the filling, and then add sliced strawberries and blueberries. Next, you're going to fold your crepe and garnish with the strawberries. Finish off by dusting a light layer of protein powder on top. Well, here we are with our amazing gluten-free crepe. Guys, I'm really excited to try this, but before I do, just want to remind you to like, share, and subscribe, and tune in again next week for the next healthy recipe. So good. Bye. This week we're making gluten-free, high-protein crepes. Without further, oh my God, let's just do this. Forget the macros, forget everything. I just want to do this. So excited, can you tell? This recipe consists of 2 servings. This recipe makes 2 servings, 61 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fat, and 47 grams of protein.